Okay, so this is a short tutorial on fractions of quantities. So some of you have started on fractions 102 already, and you will be doing the exercises on this book. So there are many ways, as you know, some of you have studied in other schools, some of you have had different tutors. So you know that there are many ways of solving a maths problem. So the example in this book is one way of doing it, and I will show you another way of doing it. Okay, so let's look at this part. So what the textbook is telling you to do is to get the money, okay, the amount of money, and to divide it by the denominator, which is 3. Now that is fine if the numerator is 1. Okay, what if it's 2/3? So that's a little bit different. So I'm going to show you a way that you can use it even if the numerator is not 1. Okay, so let's just copy this. 1/3 of 60 pounds. Okay, pounds is the money in the UK. Okay, so this is like a multiplication problem. Okay, so 1/3 of multiply 60 is equal to what? Now, as you know, all whole numbers, okay, all whole numbers, meaning not fractions, not decimals, have a denominator, okay, have a denominator of 1, okay? So all whole numbers have a denominator of 1. So really, this is 60 over 1. So why is that? Because any number divided by 1 is itself. Okay, that's the identity property of division. So 60 is really the same as 60 divided by 1 because 60 divided by 1 is still 60. The value does not change. But now it gives you a clearer picture of a multiplication problem. So now you can just multiply straight, and that will give you 60 divided by 3, which gives you 20 pounds. 20 pounds. Okay? Now the beauty of this, what if it's asking you, what is 2/3 of 60 pounds? Okay? So if you are using this method, they will tell you 60 divided by 3 is 20, and then you have to multiply it by 2. So it's going to be 60 divided by 3, and whatever the answer is, you multiply by 2. Okay, so that will give you 40 pounds. Okay, so how about this method? Okay, 2/3 of 60 pounds. 2/3 of is multiplication, 60 pounds. Since it's a whole number, it's over 1. Same thing, multiply. So you have 120 divided by 3, which gives you 40 pounds. Okay, same. So both methods give you the same. Okay, so it's the same thing here. Okay, this is what I explained. So if the numerator is not 1, you have to do okay, divide and then multiply. Okay, so this is what this the book says. 700 divided by 4, and whatever the answer is, you multiply by 3. Okay, and you end up with 525. So what about if we use this method? 3/4 of 700. So that is 3/4 of is multiply 700 over 1. So you end up with 2,100 over 4, which gives you, okay, 525 as well. See? 525. So both methods work. Choose which one you find easier. Okay? So for this, you will be doing page, okay, 63 and 64 only up to here. Okay? Do not do 4-3, 4.3. Okay, so only page 1, question 1 to 11, 63 and 64. Okay, hope this short tutorial helped you. Bye bye.